Are you struggling to make the most of your small living space? With the right decor and organization, you can maximize the potential of your quarters. Start by choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a bed with built-in storage or a coffee table with hidden compartments. Use light, neutral colors to create the illusion of a larger space, and strategically place mirrors to reflect natural light. Opt for vertical storage solutions to free up floor space, and consider hanging shelves to display your belongings without taking up valuable real estate. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of decluttering and keeping things tidy. By following these tips, you can transform your small space into a functional and stylish living area that feels anything but cramped.